Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JAGX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, or excuse me, on Friday. So that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from. That must have been an old one because I'm not sure why that's up there. But it must have been from a video chart that I did a long time ago that I don't remember. But anyways, first thing that needs to be done is definitely a lot of updates here, as the chart made a very, very nice move. Now, there is a little perspective that goes into that statement, nice move. I fully realize that if you're a day trader and, you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 15 minutes after buying, then yeah, for you the chart's not looking so good. But from the big picture perspective, I get it, there was a pullback, but overall the price still has plenty of opportunity to build a higher low. And when you have higher lows being built over longer periods of time, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. And I'm definitely going to be talking about things from a bigger picture perspective. So on that note, going to go ahead and do some house cleaning and get rid of that line. Yeah, it pertains, it's just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to just talk about levels that, I should say I don't want to have lines all over the place because that risks causing clutter and confusion. So I just want to talk about levels that are kind of immediately pertain to keep this as clean as possible. And that first level is right here, and this comes from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken, I can't talk today, and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 16 cents for those of you that watched the video on Friday was that level of resistance, but now that the price is above it, this would be an area of support that ideally speaking you would want to see hold strong. Now, if it doesn't hold, I'm not saying it's the end of the world, because from the big picture of things, the level to keep an eye on continues to be that purple line right there, the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. And as long as the price stays above that purple line as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control from the overall perspective. So that's again why I say that even with the pullback, the bulls still have plenty of wiggle room from the grand scope of things perspective. And that's also why I'm not even going to worry about talking about levels of resistance right now, because top priority is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is just going through healthy consolidations and building higher bases. Or in other words, just stay above that purple line. And as long as it does, the overall trend fully is in the bulls' favor. So nice move today. We'll see how this week continues to unfold. Still 4 days left. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.